Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best backup camera mirror is probably one of the most significant upgrades you can make to your vehicle, enhancing both safety and convenience. This innovative device combines the traditional rearview mirror with a built-in display for a backup camera, providing a clear view of what's behind you when reversing. It's a game-changer for parking, maneuvering in tight spaces, and avoiding potential hazards. Number 5. WOLFBOX G840S12 4K Mirror Dash Cam. This dash cam offers stunning detail with its 4K UHD front camera and 1080p rear camera. The large display provides a wider view, significantly reducing blind spots. It makes driving safer. With the included GPS antenna, you can see real-time data directly on the dash cam. You can also connect to your phone via Wi-Fi to view, playback, and share videos using the WOLFBOX app. It is convenient to use. The camera features a 170 degrees front lens and a 140 degrees rear lens, minimizing blind spots. The split-screen function lets you monitor both views at once. The curved screen fits seamlessly into your car. Besides on-the-road safety, this camera also monitors your car while parked. The time-lapse mode records at a low frame rate to save power. A hardwire kit is needed for parking monitoring. What we like. This dash cam boasts stunning 4K UHD clarity, ensuring every detail is captured. It offers a significantly wider view, minimizing blind spots. If you frequently drive at night or in challenging lighting conditions, you'll appreciate its superior night vision capabilities. This is the perfect choice for those prioritizing image quality and safety. What people say. The video quality is definitely one of the highlights, super clear during the day and still pretty decent at night. I really like the large touchscreen too, it feels modern and makes it easy to toggle between front and rear views. Installation was straightforward overall, and once it's set up, it blends in nicely with the interior, like it was always meant to be there. Number 4. WOLFBOX G85012 4K Mirror Dash Cam. This WOLFBOX dash cam features a 12-inch 4K front camera and a WDR rear camera. It provides a super clear and smooth video experience. You can easily read important details like road signs and vehicle number plates. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, this rearview mirror camera offers faster and more stable wireless connections. You can easily connect it to your smartphone. This allows you to view and download videos in real time. The dash cam has advanced voice control technology. You can operate it without taking your hands off the wheel. Simple voice commands allow you to start recording, take photos, or switch camera views. The mirror dash camera has an improved low reflectivity LCD screen. It minimizes glare during daylight hours. It also features advanced WDR technology and a 6-glass lens for superior image quality. Loop recording automatically overwrites old files when the card is full. The G-sensor detects sudden collisions and locks the footage. The parking monitor functions as a surveillance camera when the vehicle is off. You can use the dash cam directly without purchasing any additional accessories. The GPS and WOLFBOX player features display your driving direction, speed, position, and route. This information could be important evidence. The backup camera mirror comes with a 12-month guarantee and 24/7 customer service. They will resolve any issues related to the product. Please feel free to contact them, and they typically respond within 12 hours. What we like. With voice control, this dash cam allows for hands-free operation, enhancing safety and convenience. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi ensures faster and more stable connections for easy file sharing. If you value convenience and ease of use, especially when sharing your driving experiences, this is the ideal choice. What people say. After installing the anti-glare film on the G850, it pretty much took care of the glare issue and made it usable at any time of the day. I did notice a difference in the back camera at night. It was a lot better and the light blowout from headlights wasn't as bad. I love how the video automatically angles lower to show more of the ground. Number 3. Jansite 10-foot mirror dash cam front and rear. This dash cam features a large 10-inch full touch screen. It's easy to navigate and provides a clear view of everything happening around you. With both front and rear cameras recording in 1080p, you'll capture every detail. The long 33-foot rear camera cable solves installation issues. The camera offers exceptional night vision, even in low-light conditions. WDR HDR technology and a Starvis sensor ensure high-quality images, making night driving safer. When you shift into reverse, the screen automatically displays the rear camera's view. Parking is made safer with helpful guidelines. The interface is intuitive and easy to use. You can adjust the view angle and brightness with simple touchscreen controls. Even when the screen is off, the cameras continue recording. The dash cam is easy to install on your existing mirror. The rear camera is IP68 waterproof, and you can mount it on the back of your car without worry. Loop recording ensures continuous recording, overwriting old files. The G sensor locks footage during collisions. With an extra hardwire kit, it can record when parked. What we like. This dash cam features dual 1080p cameras, providing comprehensive coverage of the road. The 10-inch full touch screen offers an intuitive user interface. If you're looking for a user-friendly system with clear front and rear views, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Works great and would highly recommend, great picture quality and easy to install. Good camera wide angle value for money, quality is good. I am happy with it. I do wish the mirror were wider as it doesn't cover my mirror on the right, but video quality is good. It's fairly easy to install with the rubber straps. I like being able to have split screen and see my front and back views at the same time. It's a touch screen which can be challenging. Number 2. WOLFBOX G934K Mirror Dash Cam. This dash cam records in stunning 4K resolution in the front and 1080p in the rear. You can easily adjust the viewing angle and switch between different views on the screen. It provides a wider and clearer view, enhancing your driving safety. The G930 features an upgraded 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi system for a stable connection. Using the WOLFBOX app, you can easily download and share videos. This high-speed Wi-Fi ensures quick access to your video files. The low reflectivity screen reduces glare in bright light. Equipped with WDR technology, it balances light for clear visuals. The camera delivers exceptional image quality, making driving safer in low-light conditions. The GPS receiver shows real-time speed and direction on the screen. You can review all recorded videos with GPS information using the GPS player. This feature provides valuable data for your journeys. It provides continuous recording while you're away. The camera records in a loop, overwriting old footage. The G sensor locks the current video when a collision is detected, ensuring you have reliable evidence. What we like. This dash cam offers a 4K front camera for exceptional video quality. It features 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for seamless connectivity and GPS tracking to record your driving route. If you want a high-quality, connected dash cam with GPS functionality, this is the one for you. What people say. The images from both front and rear cameras are awesome, really clear, and nice wide angles. It records from both cameras simultaneously, has great image quality, has included GPS in case of accidents, and is pretty simple to install, but test before installing. Mounted this high on the rear window inside, cobbled bracket and some two-sided tape, so I could see over box content better than the standard rear view. This works all the time as a rear view and rear camera. Number 1. AUTO-VOX T2 Rear View Mirror Backup Camera. This rear view mirror backup camera is easy to install. It connects directly, so you don't need to use your car charger. The camera replaces your original mirror without any damage. The OEM bracket makes it look like a real part of your vehicle, without distracting you. The backup camera has 6 LED bulbs that automatically turn on and off. Even in low light, it can recognize license plates and details on the road. Compared to wireless systems, this rear-view mirror camera has a stronger signal. It provides a clear picture without lag or flicker, showing you exactly what's behind your car. The backup camera is fully sealed and waterproof. It won't fog up after rain or a car wash, ensuring a clear view at all times. The video cable is 6 meters long, suitable for various vehicles. You can also get an extension cable if needed, making it versatile for different car types. What we like. This dash cam seamlessly integrates with your vehicle using an OEM bracket mount. It offers superior night vision for clear visibility in low-light conditions. If you want a discreet, easy-to-install system that blends with your car's interior, consider this. What people say. I installed it in a 2013 Mazda 3 hatchback about 2 months ago and it has worked flawlessly since. Happy with the camera quality and mirror. Unlike many other systems, it gets both power and turn-on signal from the backup light, so there's no running separate power wires to the front or tapping into fuses or things like that. The image is clear, dims at night. The default is red and yellow markers and a blinking stop in the display, which I left. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.